1 week na akong nasa med school. Good morning guys! So today, may orientation kami sa guidance and yeah. Nakaganto damit ko kasi wala na ako ibang sleeveless sa init. So, hindi ako pupunta ng BGC. Talagang, this is my damit for today. Hi guys! So for today is a very special day kasi it's my first day sa UST Faculty of Medicine and Surgery. And kanina umaga, my first class was physiology. That was a 7 AM class. And then after that, ngayon, I'm just waiting for my afternoon class, which is biochemistry. Pray for me. I'm so happy and excited for the days to come. Pero alam kong walang tulugan to. Pero nakaka-excite syempre kasi, you know, pinangarap mo to eh. Like, you've been dreaming about this and many people dream about entering med school. So ngayon, I hope I don't mishandle what I prayed for. So yun, stay tuned.
The next day.
Oh my gosh guys, may nakakatawang nangyari sa akin. Kasi, sabi nila, so may link na sinend sa amin na pasok na daw sa Zoom. So, ako naman, sige, click lang ako na click. Tapos, ako lang pala yung unang participant kasama yung professor na yun. So, parang, so, ako yung, syempre, kinausap ko na. Parang, oh my God. Naiwan kaming dalawa doon. Tapos ngayon, ginawa akong leader. Kasi ako lang yung unang nakilala niya. Prayers. Send prayers. Good evening guys! So ngayon, it's actually the first Monday of the week and sobrang thankful ako kasi I survived my first ACD. So yun, sa anatomy. Buti na lang, sobrang bait ng FASI namin. Other than that, hindi rin natuloy quiz namin na pinagpuyatan ko. So ngayon, nag-aaral ako, nag-a-advance ako sa biochem kasi medyo mahina tayo sa biochem eh. So, ayun. I'm so happy kasi na-meet ko na rin, mas naging close na kami ng subsec ko. Subsec A3. Yun, and I have friends na rin sa subsec. So, yun. Hopefully, I get through this week.
The next day.
The talk will continue to usually see near the opening of the party shop, the side shop.
It's not for me to say you love.
So, ayun na nga guys. 1 week na akong nasa med school. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin nakapaniwala na nasa med school na ako. And I'm really grateful talaga. Pero sobrang nagulat ako sa academic workload talaga. Like, alam ko namang mahirap siya. Pero grabe yung pacing. Yung isang semester na subject ko nung college, like biochemistry. Isang araw lang yun sa med. Wait. So yun, nakakabigla talaga siya. Pero I'm taking it day by day. Ang dami kong kailangan aralin. I'm really stressed. Pero thankful na lang talaga ako sa support system ko. And ang dami talagang sobrang supportive lang talaga ng family ko, ng friends ko. And yun, I'm really grateful for all of you guys. And if you're going to take care of someone today, take care of yourself. Be a friend and don't forget to subscribe.